I discovered this absolutely new app that anybody from anywhere in the world could use to get free PayPal money, requiring no financial investment. It works worldwide as well as it pays through PayPal. Various other payment choices are additionally available. But if you wish to make this work, you need to follow all the video steps. If you don't watch the entire video, I'm sorry to say this will not work for you, and also you will not make any money. Confirm that you are not lazy to listen to a 10-minute tutorial video and take action. I believe it's a lot far better to focus on a 10-minute tutorial video that will certainly educate you just how you can earn money from your phone than to waste 10 minutes endlessly scrolling with Instagram reading posts, which you will certainly forget as soon as you start scrolling further. So pay close attention. Yet before we begin, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video online, you will certainly be updated and you can start making things happen. Additionally, please give this video a huge thumbs up. If ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions concerning this video, leave a comment down below. Now let's return to this video. Here you can see all the different options which you can choose. You can earn money with PayPal, Payeer, AirTM or whatever payment choice you prefer. If you would like to get paid through PayPal and accumulate the money, you can choose the PayPal option. As soon as you have $5 in your account, you can cash out and spend that PayPal money on whatever you intend to. If you don't choose PayPal or PayPal is not available in your country, you can utilize Payeer, AirTM or whatever payment choice you like. So right before we start, I wish to reveal to you proof that it works. As you can see here, each of these people is currently generating income with this website and they are being paid nearly every couple of minutes. These people are coming from all countries throughout the world. So this is undoubtedly a website that pays well and it works well. Let me describe to you specifically how you can set this up for yourself. Step number 1. Before you also get to the app, you will need to Google. Look for different articles and blog posts that you believe people would want a reading. Don't worry, you don't need to have your website. You don't need to have your social media accounts and don't require a YouTube channel to produce any videos in all. I desire you to Google and look for whatever you believe people will want a reading. It is probably something that is trending articles with strange truth or anything that you can think people will click on. For example, I am going to look for 10 uncommon facts about water and not only concerning on one niche. As you can see, I am not trying to find one specific category like gold, sports or something that would only be interesting to a particular group of people, but trying to concentrate on something that millions wish to learn about. For example, 100 impressive water facts you must know or whatever you assume is interesting a massive group of people. You can also select exciting stories or some uncommon and unusual facts that many people would be interested in. It can be concerning a film star, an actor or a YouTube star. I want you to discover articles that you assume a lot of people would go with. So when you locate that article, what I want to do is right click on it and copy its link. So once you copy the link, that opens to the article. That's all you have to do for step number 1, which is to visit Google, locate an article or blog post that you think could be appealing to a huge group of people and copy its web link. Step number 2. I want you to find over to the app called exe.io. You can either use this on your smartphone device, tablet, laptop or computer system. I am using my desktop computer so that it's much easier for me to explain it to you. It's over at exe.io. This is a place where you can shorten, share as well as earn money. You can shorten long URLs or long web links and also you can share them with friends and family and other people. Whenever someone clicks the link that you shortened, you will get paid. So they don't need to sign up for anything. They don't need to spend any cash. They don't need to purchase anything at all. They just require you to click, and also you will certainly earn money. Since it's impressive. You see, it's a lot simpler to make a person click a link than to make them sign up or buy something. As you can see, you just need 3 easy steps. First, create an account, and also I'm going to show you just how to register for free. Second, I'm going to discuss with you exactly how to shorten your links. Third, you will make money and you will see exactly how it works. Currently, the reason we are using this application is because they have the highest rates. It suggests you will get the most amount of cash for those clicks. You will certainly additionally get detailed statistic of who is clicking your links, and also they likewise have an excellent referral program. So, if you would love to share this with your friends and family, or you can find someone who would be interested in earning money with exe.io, you can share your recommendation link, as well as you will certainly earn 15% of their lifetime incomes. This implies you can accumulate passive income for a lifetime just for referring a person. If that person makes $1,000, you will certainly make $150 without lifting a finger. Now, I desire you to head over to exe.io. Click on the sign up button right here. So, you can create an account, and also you can do so by creating a unique username. The next step is to enter your valid email address in this box. Create a password and then retype it for verification, and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it. So after that, click register, and also you have created an account in exe.io. When you make a new account there, this is just how it's going to appear. As you can see, this is the dashboard where you can track your views, your earnings, your recommendation incomes, and the ordinary CPM, which is the expense per 1,000 clicks that you receive from your web link. That is most likely to differ. Your incomes per click will be lower or higher depending upon where the click is coming from. If it's coming from a top tier country, you will definitely be making even more money. But if it's coming from a developing country, your earnings will be lower. That's because whenever somebody clicks on your shortened web link, they will be redirected to a landing page for advertisements. Also, they will be shown advertisements which they can skip. As quickly as they skip those advertisements, they will certainly be redirected to the link that you originally wanted for them to go. So, exe.io is simply splitting the advertisement revenue with you. That's why they have the CPM. That's why it works. That's why they are paying you for those clicks. So, if you are going to ask me if this is a genuine system, indeed, since the person who clicks doesn't require to invest any type of money at all, and they can skip those ads. exe.io is making money. Also, you are generating income pretty quickly. As soon as you start earning money, and once you have $3 in your account, you can visit withdrawals right here. And also, you can choose whatever payment choice you select. In this case, I will select PayPal. Just enter your PayPal email address and you can cash out and invest that money on whatever you intend to. But before that, you need to start getting those clicks. When you grab that interesting article from Google, I want you to click create a link right here, so you can shorten it. You want to shorten the web link of that article or blog post which you think many people would click on and will certainly have an interest in reading. This is why I advised you to select articles that will be interesting to a big group of people. Paste that link here and click create right here, which is going to give you the shortened exe.io web link. You can copy that, and whenever somebody clicks on this web link, you will make money. Now you require people to click this link and make this work. You want to discover people who will have an interest in reading that article. So currently I am most likely to show you to various traffic sources which you can use to get those clicks automatically and hands-free. Even if you don't have any social media followers, and even if you are just a beginner. The first traffic source is overbelow at Hercules.com. Once again, this is over at Hercules.com. It is a platform which will allow you to advertise any web link that you wish to daily for free of cost. So, it's provide you an entire email list. You can send one email with one click to thousands of different people every day for absolutely cost-free. There is a good chance that many of them are clicking your web link. Once again, each time somebody clicks your link, you will certainly make money. The second traffic source you can use is not cost-free. However, it will permit you to get even more clicks a lot easier. This is already Shoutcard.com. If you sign up for totally free on Shoutcard.com, you will certainly have the ability to search all the various influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. They can promote your shortened link to hundreds of thousands of people for a truly small cost. For example, you can see that I only picked Instagram and I can advertise for $10. I can promote my shortened link to 500,000 people out of 500,000 people. If I access the very least 5,000 clicks on my web link, I am making $10 for 1,000 clicks. That's $50. So I have made $40 profit without lifting a finger. Since all you need to do is pay $10, give them your link and they will promote it. You can create a snowball effect with this. So if you have $10 to start investing in this, spend on one shout out. If you start earning money of around $50 to $60, reinvest back some of that cash into more shoutouts. The more you make, the more shoutouts you buy, and also from bigger web pages. Once again, you are developing a snowball effect. You can purchase those shoutouts every single day. You can get those clicks a regular daily basis automatically. You can advertise to millions of people with Shoutcard.com. You can get hundreds of thousands of clicks on your shortened web links. Ensure that those articles and those blog posts which you find in Google are actually appealing as well as interesting. So a lot of people will certainly click them. Once again, whenever someone clicks, you earn money. So this is a good and fun way to earn more money online. So begin free of charge with Hercules.com. Get some clicks to generate income and begin reinvesting into Shoutcard.com. And also try to build some business with this. It's a really good one. It's easy since you can do it with simply your phone. That's it. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. You can share your point of view with us in the comments below. And I will see you in the next videos.